Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First we need to open the REALME Link application on our phone, so let's open it. In the app you should see the REALME Watch 2 right here on the list of devices. Tap on it. Wait until the watch is connecting with your phone. Basically you need to see the battery icon right here. Now scroll down, tap on the delete device button, then tap on delete to confirm. Your watch should disappear from the list of devices, and also it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. So let's wait. And once you see the list of languages, and the reset is complete. And that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.